A step towards justice at Grenfell. Sid Ali Atmani escaped from the burning tower, but has always blamed the council for the fire.
We was in safety, that's what we thought, but we wasn't. Suddenly, you're sleeping in your bed and you start running for your life.
And what makes the council responsible?
Wrong management, wrong decisions.
Almost hidden from view, away from the public inquiry and police investigation, a Grenfell case has been ongoing at the High Court. It's a civil claim involving those affected by the tragedy. The case has now had its first breakthrough. An admission from Kensington and Chelsea, known as RBKC, that it failed in its duty of care to its residents. Is this the beginning of justice at Grenfell?
Absolutely. It's the first time anybody, any organisation has admitted responsibility. That's very important. You know, nobody's done this before, and it's the first time that we've got legal liability. Now, before, the RBKC have apologised before, but they've now openly apologised.
What does that mean to you?
It means a lot. It means a lot. I haven't got judgment for myself yet, but I was so went with it. I was so happy with it, and I thought that's the right decision for RBKC to make, to accept that liability to these families, especially the bereaved as well. They are the one who has that pain. They will be with them all their life.
72 people died at Grenfell, but the High Court judgment on the council only involves just 4 of the dead, those represented by BLJ solicitors. So in simple terms, the reason why the council has only admitted to a few people is because they're the ones represented by your firm.
Exactly. We represent 4 of the individuals who passed away, so that's why it was just for those 4.
And in legal terms, liability usually means financial compensation. Some might say, oh, cynically, this is all about money.
No, it's not. They go. Justice and money and compensation, they go together. If I get money, compensation, without justice, how am I going to feel? I'm not going to feel good about it.
This absolutely is not about the money. This is about accountability first, justice first. This judgment is on behalf of the community. It's on behalf of the bereaved. It's on behalf of the people that passed away.
In a statement, the council told us that along with its tenant management organisation, they've admitted failing in their duty of care to the people to whom it was owed. We hope that this admission, they continued, helps reduce the burden of those affected and leads to other parties being able to do the same. But in a tragedy, small legal wins are not victories. Is there any winners in this process?
There will be only changes, hopefully. But there is no winner. You will never be a winner. Never, ever.
Oh, Wags, this has been a really complicated case, isn't it?
It's an incredibly complicated case because there are so many people and parties involved. On one side, you've got Grenfell survivors, bereaved, and people who lived in neighbouring blocks. Joining them, surprisingly, are firefighters, about 100 firefighters in the case, plus emergency responders. It comes to about 1,000 people on one side. They are all taking on everyone who could be liable for Grenfell. It doesn't just include the council, it includes the makers of the flammable cladding, the flammable insulation, the builders. It goes on. It's a very long list. So this is just one small ruling in a very long and complex case, which is going to go on for a very long time.
All right, Wags, thank you.